Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 1996 to 2002 4Runner. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Mark the cut line 3/4 inch above the bottom of the frame and cut along it. You can choose to leave the existing body mount or replace it with a new one. If you're keeping the old body mount, cut on the perforated lines and remove the plate factory. Step 3. After grinding down the surface free of dust and debris, we recommend treating the surface with a weld-through primer to prevent further corrosion. Step 4. Slide the frame section into place using C-clamps if needed. Weld the part into place. Step 5. Finally, paint the part in work area with primer. Then you're done.